Ito, Senator Sir, ito ho na naman tayo, no? Pagkatapos nga ng remand, mukha pong dito babalik. Sinasabi po kasi ni Ginoong Escudero that the Senate as a collegial body, opo, and as an impeachment court, lahat daw po ay maaaring ma-erase na motion, including yung motion to dismiss na naman itong articles of impeachment and can be voted by a simple majority vote. What's your take on that?
Hindi po pwede yun. It's against reason, it's against the Constitution. Sapagkat pag impeachment court na, senator, judge ka, collective yun eh. Judge kayo, impeachment court kayo. Hindi naman individual eh. So, in any regular court of law, at katulad din ng impeachment court, kahit sabihin mo political yun, kayo judge eh. Hindi kayo pwede mag-motion to dismiss. O kung ano-anong motion. Ang motion na pwede ninyo, na pag-uusapan, na pwede, yung let's say, merong sinabi ang prosecution at ang presiding officer tinanggap, pwedeng magpumalag yung member ng court. Let's say tumayo isang member ng court, sabihin ganyan na Mr. President, we need to Mr. Presiding Officer, we need to vote on that matter. Ganun yun eh. Like for example, sinasabi nito sustained. Ayaw nung iba. Pwede yun. Pwede yun. Pero yung motu proprio, biglang magmo-motion ng isang member ng judge for, let's say, dismissal of the case, ay hindi pa pwede yun. Saan ka nakakita ng ang judge mismo magdi-dismiss sa sarili niya? Hindi pa, it's beyond reason and beyond the Constitution.
Opo. So, ito pong gantong mga statement na nanggagaling sa kasalukuyan pong Senate President, paano po ninyo tinatanggap ito na kayo po uupo na rin po sa 20th Congress bilang miyembro? Actually, ngayong katanghalian, na ho kayo? You're a senator. Opo.
Well, I will speak what I think is right. Sasabihin ko, kukontrahin ko kung may tumayo doon at sasabihin bigla na, let's say sa impeachment court, hindi pwedeng sa Senado. Kung sa Senado, sa Senado mismo, hindi pwedeng pag-usapan ng ganun yun. At dibatiin, napakahabang debate nun at napaka-madugo yun. Sapagkat hindi ka naman impeachment court eh. Pag nag-constitute as an impeachment court or tumawag ang presiding officer na impeachment court sila, ibang usapan na naman yun. Iba yung legislative function, iba yung impeachment function as a court.